Hello YouTube, this is Bradley Hightower. Yeah, I'm just gonna show you this little museum of airplanes. I said I was gonna show you, but you see that huge airplane. This is it's by the football field. Just gonna show you if you want to take a good picture at airplanes. And in front of me, you see a Blackbird, usually in Call of Duty, all that stuff. But anyway, um. This is just a museum. See, there's the regular jet you see every day. Sometimes, there's one on the side of the building. See, right there. It's just a regular fighter jet. I can't get a good picture of it, but you can see the bottom right now. Crap. Hold on. Okay, just gonna go farther. But anyway, it's right there. Okay, that's just mostly it. See ya.